When we think of stretching, we tend to picture it in the context of preparing for or winding down after a workout. Those are definitely important times to stretch. However, taking some time to lengthen and loosen your muscles every day, whether you are exercising or not, provides a number of important health benefits. What's more, these benefits may lead to others such as reduced fall risk in seniors and faster recovery from injury or workout-induced soreness. If you have any health issues, be sure to talk with your doctor before beginning a stretching exercise. The benefits of stretching every day. There are many benefits to adding stretching into your daily routine. A daily stretching regimen provides lasting effects such as increased flexibility, improve balance, relieve muscle tension, improve posture, and increase blood flow. So here are 5 stretches to add to your basic stretching routine. Number 1, butterfly stretch. The butterfly stretch is an exercise where you place the soles of your feet together and allow your legs to drop out to either side toward the floor, like the shape of a butterfly. The butterfly stretch primarily works your hips and inner thighs. It's also a good move for reducing tension in your pelvic muscles. As you stretch and stabilize these areas, you may notice your back pain decrease, and that it's easier to do things like climb stairs and get in and out of a car. Benefits of the butterfly stretch include better mobility in your hips. This can be especially helpful if you tend to sit a lot, which can cause your hip flexors to tighten up. Less hip and low back pain. Static stretches like the butterfly exercise that loosen the muscles around your hips have been shown to ease tightness and reduce pain in your hips and lower back. Improved pelvic floor function. The butterfly stretch helps relax the muscles in your pelvic floor, which may reduce tension and pelvic pain. Number 2, calf stretch. I think everybody did some version of a calf stretch in his or her life. The simplest one is to put your arms on a wall and lean towards it while keeping one bent leg in front and a heel of a straight leg behind on a floor. Many runners do it regularly. You may be surprised to learn that a calf stretch a day may keep a doctor away. The obvious result of this exercise will be that a calf stretch will lengthen chronically shortened calves due to the heeled shoes and long sitting. But why would you want to lengthen your calf muscles? What are the surprising benefits? We need a certain leg length in order to have a proper standing alignment as well as a proper gait. Standing and walking in aligned manner loads our postural muscles correctly. When we properly engage these muscles on a daily basis, they can support our spine and keep us upright. Number 3, cat-cow stretch. Cat-cow is a gentle flow between 2 poses that warms the body and brings flexibility to the spine. It stretches the back, torso, and neck, and softly stimulates and strengthens the abdominal organs. It also opens the chest, encouraging the breath to become slow and deep. The spinal movement of the 2 poses stimulates the kidneys and adrenal glands. Coordinating this movement with your breathing relieves stress and calms the mind. This sequence also helps to develop postural awareness and balance throughout the body. It brings the spine into correct alignment and can help prevent back pain when practiced regularly. Those with neck injuries should keep the head in line with the torso, not dropping it forward or back. Always work within your own range of limits and abilities. If you have any medical concerns, talk with your doctor before practicing yoga. Begin on all fours with a neutral spine and with your arms directly under your shoulders and hips over knees. Inhale as you bend your back, creating a C shape in your spine and round the tailbone while allowing your chin to rest on the chest. Exhale as you draw your stomach down towards the ground while you take your gaze up. Number 4, child's pose. Child's pose is a common position in yoga for people of all flexibility and fitness levels. In yoga, child's pose is classified as a restorative pose. It offers numerous health benefits and stretches many tight areas of the body, especially in your back, neck, shoulders, and ankles. Child's pose is a very simple stretch. Just follow these steps. Kneel on the floor or on a yoga mat and sit back on your heels with your arms at your sides. Slowly bend forward so your stomach touches your thighs. Try to keep your buttocks against your heels, but don't stress if that's not possible. Extend your hands out in front of you with your palms down and rest them on the mat or the floor. Relax your neck and let your forehead gently rest against the ground or mat. Allow your entire body to relax as you close your eyes and breathe. Stay in this pose for as long as you feel is necessary. Slowly return to the seated position. Number 5, supine twist. It feels good to do twists like the supine spinal twist during the cool-down portion of your yoga session. At the end of your practice, you can take advantage of your warmed muscles to move into deep twists that help counteract the effects of too much time spent sitting in chairs. The supine twist stretches the glutes, chest, and obliques. Because of the chest stretch, it is considered a heart opener. It improves spinal mobility and can aid digestion. It is a relaxing pose at the end of a yoga session. In everyday life, your posture will benefit from this stretch to sitting and hunching over work. How to perform the supine twist. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees and put the soles of your feet on the floor with your knees pointing up toward the ceiling. Press into your feet to lift your hips slightly off the floor and shift them about an inch to your right. This is an important step because it sets your hips up to stack one on top of the other when you move into the twist. Exhale and draw your right knee into your chest and extend your left leg flat on the floor. Keep your left foot actively flexed throughout the pose. These 5 everyday stretches are a great start to a regular basic stretching routine. Of course, if you have the time and the interest, there are many more poses you can work into your regimen. Ultimately, any stretching you do will have a positive impact on your fitness and flexibility. So there you have it. Do these 5 stretching exercises and this will happen to your body. Did you find this video helpful? If so, click the like button below, as it'll truly help out the channel. And if you're enjoying the content and want to support the channel, all we ask is that you click the subscribe button below and turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video. Peace.